Hi students, this is the chapter number first, session 1 video, rational numbers. Okay, now we already discussed in online sessions, that is what do you mean by rational numbers, what do you mean by natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, all things. Natural numbers means only 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity, but whenever we are including 0 in these numbers, then it is called as a whole numbers. Okay, now next is integers, correct? Integers means all negative numbers, positive numbers, and 0 including 0 are called as a integers. Okay, now rational number. Okay, now rational number is nothing but the number which is in the form of p and q, where p and q can be an integer, means p or q may be negative or positive, that is integer. And but q should not be 0. If q is 0, then it is not a rational number, we can't define. If we are dividing any number by 0, then we can't define that answer, so it is not a rational number, or undefined it is. Okay, minus 3 by minus 2 by 3, 6 by 7, 9 by minus 5, these are the rational numbers. See, I sent the photos of these pages, you have to copy this as a notes. Okay, now properties of rational numbers. First of all, we'll see the properties of whole numbers, properties of rational number, sorry, properties of whole numbers, properties of integers, and then we'll see the properties of rational numbers. See, properties of whole numbers and integers you already learned in a 7th standard. Now you have to go with the rational numbers, but I'll give some introduction of that. That is whole numbers. For whole number addition, suppose 0 plus 5, answer will be 5. 4 plus 7, answer will be 11. Means whenever we are adding the whole numbers, whenever we are adding two whole numbers, then answer will be whole number itself, correct? So the addition is closed under the whole numbers. Addition is, or whole numbers are closed under the addition, sorry, whole numbers are closed under the addition. What is the meaning of this? Means if we are adding two whole numbers, then answer will be whole number itself. Okay, now next point is subtraction. If we are subtracting a whole number, see, minus 5 is a whole number, subtraction, and minus 2, sorry, 2 is also whole number, answer will be 3. If 5 minus 7, then answer will be minus 2. Then minus 2 is not a whole number, it is an integer, not a whole number. So subtraction for the whole numbers, whole number is not closed under the subtraction. Whole numbers are not closed under the subtraction. For multiplication, multiplication is closed under the whole numbers are closed under the multiplication. Now division is also not possible. Whenever we are doing 5 by 8, 5 by 8, which is a fraction, not a whole number. So see, whole numbers are closed under only addition and multiplication, not closed under the subtraction and division. Okay, and what do you mean by closed under? Closed under means whatever you are doing the operation on the whole numbers, answer will be whole number. If the answer is whole number, then it is closed under that whatever we are doing, addition, subtraction, or multiplication. That is the meaning. Whenever we are doing addition of two whole numbers, or whenever we are doing multiplication of two whole numbers, then answer will be whole number itself. So whole numbers are closed under the addition and multiplication, not closed under the subtraction and division. Okay, same thing as the integers, but integers can change. Like, see here, addition, whenever we are doing addition of two integers, then answer will be integer itself. Whenever we are doing subtraction of two integers, then answer will be integer itself. So the difference between the whole number and integers property is, integers are closed under the addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Three operations: addition, subtraction and multiplication. Whenever we are doing addition of two integers, the answer will be integer itself. Okay, and whenever we are doing subtraction of two integers, answer will be integer itself. And whenever we are doing multiplication of two integers, answer will be integer itself. Okay, but what about the division? So 5 by 8, 5 by 8, 5 divided by 8, this is not an integer, this is a fraction or decimal value. 8 0 point something will come, so this is not an integer. So division is not closed, or integers are not closed under the division. Now what about the whole number says? See, whole numbers are closed under the addition and multiplication. And what about integers says? Integers are closed under the addition, subtraction and multiplication, not for division. Okay, now same thing we have to check for the rational numbers. Okay, see here, rational numbers, addition, rational number, whatever we are doing addition of two rational numbers, then answer will be rational number itself. See, 3 by 8 minus 5 by 7. So first for the addition we have to take denominator same. So 3 into 7, 8 into 7. For denominator 7, 8 and 7 does not have any common factor, so direct we have to multiply by each other. Now 21 by 56 minus 40 by 56. Now denominator is same, so we can add directly 21 minus 40 divided by 56. Answer will be minus 19 divided by 56. Same thing whenever two negative rational numbers. See, 8 and 5 no common factor, so we have to make a denominator 40. So 15 into 3 into 5 15, 8 into 5 40, 4 into 8 32 and 5 into 8 40, and minus minus sign both we have to give. So minus 15 minus 32 divided by 40, denominator is same, so minus 47 by 40, that is a rational numbers. Means whenever we are adding the rational number, whenever we are adding the rational number, the answer will be rational, it's rational number itself. That is the meaning rational numbers are closed under the addition. Okay, subtraction, subtraction also same thing. Whenever we are doing the subtraction, then answer will be subtraction itself. Okay, means whole number, sorry, rational numbers are closed under the subtraction. See here, minus 5 by 7 minus 2 by 3 minus 5 into 3. For making a denominator same, we have to do this operation. Check it. 21, 7 and 3 no common factor, so 21 will make here. Likewise minus 29 by 21 will come, that is a rational number. So the subtraction or rational numbers are closed under the subtraction. Meaning of this sentence is, whenever we are doing the subtraction of two rational numbers, then answer will be rational number itself. Okay, see, this sentences will come for the true or false. See, rational numbers are closed under the subtraction, true or false. So answer will be true, rational numbers are closed under the subtraction. Meaning is, whenever we are subtracting two rational numbers, answer will be rational number itself. Okay, now see here, same thing, 5 by 8 minus 4 by 5, answer will be minus 7 by 40, a rational number. See, I provided these notes as a photos, go for it. Okay, now next multiplication, minus 2 by 3 into 4 by 5. For multiplication, directly numerator numerator, denominator denominator multiplication we can do. So minus 18 by, sorry, minus 8 by 15 will be the answer. That is a rational number. Okay, again next two numbers, minus minus multiplication will become plus, so minus 4 into 6 24 by 55, that is again rational numbers. So rational numbers are closed under the multiplication. But what about the division? See, for the division, minus 5 by 3 divided by 2 by 5. Division is nothing but, whenever we are taking, whenever division is there, we have to take the reciprocal of second number. Reciprocal means numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. So minus 5 by 3 into 5 by 2, that is minus 25 by 6. That is a rational number. But what about this thing? Suppose minus 5 by 3 divided by 0. Divided by 0 means here 1 will be there. Okay, 0 by 1. Correct. Now minus 5 by 3 and division is there, so we have to take this as cross multiplication, so reciprocal. Now 1 will go numerator and 0 will come into denominator, and whenever the 0 is in a denominator, then answer could not be defined or answer is undefined. So rational numbers are not closed under the division. Okay, now see, for whole numbers are closed under the addition and multiplication only. Okay, now integers are closed under the addition, subtraction and multiplication both, and rational number and not for division. And what about the rational numbers? Is rational numbers are closed under the addition, subtraction and multiplication. Means whenever we are adding or subtracting or multiplying two rational numbers, then answer will be rational number itself, and rational number is not closed under the division, because whenever we are dividing any rational number by 0, then answer is undefined. So rational number is not closed under the division, but it is closed under the addition, subtraction and multiplication. Okay, this is first session. Now next session we will discuss commutative property and associative property. Okay, that things we'll do in the next video. Thank you, students.